Dear souls, we are at a turning point in the vast chronology of the cosmos. Universal forces intertwine in a magnificent celestial dance, weaving an energy so intense that it can shake the depths of your being and open you up to a new dimension of existence. What is about to manifest before you is not just a simple change. It is an invitation to immerse yourself in a current of deep transformation that promises to take you beyond the known, to a realm where love, compassion, and unity are the fundamental laws. Feel how the universe, in its infinite wisdom, calls you to participate in this cosmic dance. Are you ready to discover the latent power within you and allow the waves of this transformative energy to carry you to the heights of 5D reality? This journey that you are about to embark on invites you to explore the limits of your spirit and awaken to a new level of consciousness. If you feel that this message resonates within you, don't forget to show your support with a like, subscribe, and share it with those who are also prepared to respond to the call of the universe. The energies surrounding us at this moment are something few of us have experienced before. A few days ago, a blue supermoon, a rare and powerful celestial phenomenon, deeply impacted our emotions, awakening an even greater sensitivity in our intuition. Although that moment has passed, its effect continues to resonate within us. But that's not all. We are now witnessing another extraordinary phenomenon. An intense geomagnetic storm, triggered by solar activity, is merging with the residual energy of the recent full moon. This combination is generating a powerful energetic current that amplifies its impact on us, creating a cosmic moment of transformation that we cannot ignore. What began as a simple astronomical event has evolved into something much deeper and more lasting, surprising even the most experienced astrologers. This cosmic alignment did not just occur and disappear. It remains present, maintaining immense potential for spiritual growth and personal transformation. It is as if the universe, in its infinite wisdom, is extending the effects of the blue supermoon, intertwining them with the powerful energy of the geomagnetic storm. This combination is creating a cosmic current that propels us to new heights of consciousness, inviting us to explore the deepest levels of our being. The impact of this energetic fusion continues to resonate deeply in our lives. The full moon, known for its ability to amplify our emotions and sharpen our intuition, has left a powerful imprint that is now enhanced by the geomagnetic storm. This is not just a fleeting influence from the cosmos. It is a constant and powerful union, designed to keep dismantling internal barriers, facilitating spiritual awakenings, revelations, and moments of absolute clarity. For those who are particularly sensitive to these energies, these days feel like a climax, where the vibrations of the universe continue to resonate intensely, urging us to accept and allow the transformation that is still occurring within us. As this energy continues to envelop us, it offers us an unprecedented opportunity for personal and collective growth. The veils between the physical and spiritual worlds are thinning, allowing us a clearer and more direct connection with the higher realms. This opens the door to a moment of immense potential, where the universe pushes us to leave behind the ordinary and explore a field full of limitless possibilities. It is a call to align more deeply with our true essence and to harness this energetic flow to advance on our spiritual path. As we delve deeper into the consequences of this unusual alignment, we face what could be described as a double cosmic portal that remains active. This powerful union between the residual energy of the blue supermoon and the ongoing geomagnetic storm has transcended a simple astronomical event. It has transformed into a constant portal through which the energies of the cosmos flow, inviting us to enter a new stage of existence. Within this portal lies a lasting potential that allows us to manifest our deepest desires, connect with the cosmic forces that continue to shape our reality, and ride the wave of energy that still courses through the earth. This is not an experience we can live through passively. The energy of this double portal remains a dynamic force that needs to be actively harnessed. At the heart of this transformation is the transition from 3D reality to 5D. The energies we are experiencing at this moment act as catalysts, accelerating our shift from the dense reality of the third dimension, focused on the material and marked by separation and conflict, to the higher vibrational plane of the fifth dimension. In 3D existence, where the illusion of individuality prevails, we begin to see how these illusions dissolve as we ascend to the fifth dimension, a reality based on love, kindness, and compassion. This change not only transforms us personally but also redefines how we interact with the world, leading us to a state of unity and higher consciousness. This shift in consciousness is so profound that it reconfigures our perception of ourselves and others, altering the very essence of our being. In the fifth dimension, the transformation is radical. The insatiable desires and anxieties of the ego lose their grip on us. Instead, we begin to operate from the heart, a space of authenticity, calm, and genuine connection. As we reach this elevated level of consciousness, we release the ties that have kept us trapped. True self-awareness replaces the need for external approval, the anxiety of loss, and attachment to the material. We understand that our value does not come from what we possess or achieve, but from our spiritual identity and inner essence. To live a life that truly matters, it is crucial to make this transition from ego to soul. By opening ourselves to the unlimited potential of the fifth dimension, we leave behind the limitations of the third dimension and strengthen our connection with the divine, with our higher self, and with the ability to coexist harmoniously with the cosmos. This is a transformative journey towards a deep spiritual awakening, a journey that takes us through the dual cosmic portal to a new consciousness. The energy surrounding us at this moment is not just a phenomenon. It is a powerful spiritual compass. Our intuition, that inner voice that guides us toward an authentic life, becomes clearer and stronger. The call of the universe intensifies as these celestial energies intertwine, amplifying our intuition and guiding us with greater clarity on our spiritual journey. It is no longer a distant whisper but a powerful invitation that resonates deeply within our being. By releasing our judgments and allowing our minds to open, we create a direct channel to communicate with our higher self. At this crucial moment, the universe encourages us to trust our intuition and align with the authentic mission of our soul, reminding us that the answers we seek are not outside but within us. As we reach this elevated level of consciousness, our relationships with others also begin to transform. Connection and empathy deepen, replacing the misunderstandings and conflicts that were common in 3D reality. The sense of isolation that we once experienced begins to fade in the fifth dimension, giving way to a clearer understanding that we are all interconnected and coexist as one. Instead of a dynamic based on domination and competition, a balanced exchange of mutual support and understanding emerges. Connecting with others on this higher plane is not just about meeting physical needs, but about learning from one another, supporting each other on our spiritual paths, and experiencing unconditional love. This profound change makes it easier for us to empathize with others, recognizing the network of interconnectedness that unites us all. Our understanding of time is one of the aspects that most radically transforms as we enter the fifth dimension experience. In 3D reality, time is perceived as linear, divided into past, present, and future, often trapping us in cycles of regret for what was and worry about what will come. However, in the fifth dimension, time is revealed as a living web, where all moments exist simultaneously. This paradigm shift allows us to transcend the limitations of linear time, offering us the opportunity to heal past wounds and create a future filled with purpose and clarity. In the fifth dimension, time ceases to be a rigid structure and becomes a flexible flow that we can handle with skill. This new perception empowers us to free ourselves from the chains of time, allowing us to leave behind habits that no longer serve us and open our lives to a future that resonates with our highest potential. In this new level of existence, we take control of our destinies, shaping them according to our deepest intentions, in perfect harmony with the cosmic energies that surround us. The full moon and geomagnetic storms are doing more than just pushing us forward. They are lifting the veil, allowing us to clearly see the eternal essence of our being and the unlimited potential that awaits us. By embracing this new understanding, we transcend time as we knew it and enter a realm where the past, present, and future intertwine into a single reality. As our connection with both the cosmos and the earth strengthens, another dimension of our experience begins to transform: our dreams. During this period of intense energy, many will notice a significant increase in dream activity. This is not a simple coincidence, but a sign that we are tuning into higher frequencies, opening ourselves to the messages of the universe. Dreams become a bridge between the conscious and the subconscious, a realm where the soul can explore, heal, and receive guidance. The vividness and symbolism of these dreams intensify, offering insights that are often profound and transformative. These nocturnal journeys are a way for the universe to communicate with us, guiding us on our path and revealing truths that may be hidden from our waking mind. In this elevated state of consciousness, our dreams can serve as a map, helping us navigate the spiritual landscape unfolding before us. They offer clues, warnings, and revelations, all designed to assist us on our journey to greater awareness. By paying attention to these dreams and reflecting on their meaning, we can unlock the wisdom they contain and use it to guide our actions in the waking world. Living in the present moment is essential to raise your vibration, stay aligned, and connect more deeply with the universe. By taking time to sit in silence and open yourself to the energies around you, you can align with the cosmic forces that are ready to help you manifest your dreams effortlessly. This is the perfect time to meditate, as it allows you to unlock aspects of yourself that have been hidden, revealing intuitions and wisdom that can guide you towards a life more aligned with your true desires. Releasing old patterns is a crucial step in this exciting journey. As we venture into this change, it is essential to leave behind the fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs that have held us back in the past. By letting go of these energies that no longer serve us, we open ourselves to new awareness and align more fully with the elevated vibrations of this new reality. Here I explain how you can embrace this transformation process and welcome the new with an open mind and heart. First, identify the thoughts and emotions that have kept you trapped in negative patterns. Acknowledge them, but don't cling to them. Instead, allow them to fade away, knowing that by doing so, you are creating space for new energies and opportunities to enter. Practicing gratitude and self-acceptance is also key to letting go of the old. As you focus on what you have and what you can become, you align with the positive vibrations that surround you. Finally, trust the process. This journey of transformation is continuous, and although letting go may seem challenging, it is necessary for your spiritual growth and to align with the highest energies. This is not just a moment of reflection, but of conscious action. By allowing these cosmic energies to guide our path, we begin to manifest a reality that resonates with our highest potential. Each thought, each decision made from this new awareness, becomes an essential piece in the mosaic of our spiritual evolution. Remember that you are not alone on this sacred journey. The universe is by your side, guiding you, supporting you, and walking with you every step of the way. Trust fully in the process and allow your spirit to rise to new heights, embracing the fullness of who you are and who you are destined to become. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. I sincerely want to thank you for your time and attention. I hope you enjoyed the content and that it offered you some valuable perspective. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Don't hesitate to share your thoughts or your own experiences in the comments. Take care, and until next time.